Sorry. Chunk, we're gonna cut off your nuts. We're gonna get you fixed.
Non-negotiable. They're coming off. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna fix you. You're getting your balls cut off.
If you don't start being nice, we'll feed them to you.
What, you don't want your nuts cut off? We're gonna get you fixed. What do you say to that?
You whimper like you already have been.
Don't like that, do you? Non-negotiable. It's happening.
We're just leaving the sword. Yep, they're coming off. Yeah, that's right.